Guys, welcome back. Today we have a Nella and the Princess Knight, my first puzzle book with 5 puzzles inside. This is the coolest book I have ever seen and I wanted to share it with you. We got this at the dollar store and it was $3 at Dollarama, and every page of this book is a different Nella puzzle. Let's get it open so I can show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to flip it over. And we are just going to cut open the plastic. This is so cool. And again, I've never seen anything quite like it. Let's get all that plastic wrap off. There we go. So this is our book. And as you open it, every page of the story is another puzzle. So this one here, and they're cardboard puzzles, so they are like really thick pages, and the puzzle pieces lift up, and then purple on the back. They're not a good thick quality puzzle, but they're pretty good for a book. And you can do the puzzle on each page. So there is page 1, and then there's the story. So this one is Nella and Trinket are BFWKs, best friends in the whole kingdom. And it goes on with the dazzling pair. And again, this whole page is a puzzle, and it has this little flip that you can use to take the puzzle pieces out. And then if you lose the puzzle, you still have the page underneath with the exact same picture. And then you can just pop it back in. Okay, this one is the royal family with Nella spending time with her mom and dad. And then there's her mom and dad. And again, it's a puzzle. There's the pieces. Then we have the Nightfall Team. On her quest, Nella can count on help from her friend Sir Garrett and his trusty steed Claude. And there we have Sir Garrett and Claude. And again, it's a puzzle. It is so cool. Like, we could take the whole puzzle out, and there's the picture underneath. So you can do the puzzle separately, or you can do the puzzle on each page. And it's so cool because it has a storage spot to store the puzzles. You know how with some puzzles they come on a backing like this, but they don't stick really well? Like, these ones stick really well inside. We have Heroism with Heart. It's Nella's royal pleasure to help her friends, no matter who they are. When a dragon named Polka Dotty needs help getting back her rollaway egg, Nella becomes a princess knight and saves the day. And there's the dragon. Now this last one is a little bit harder because the last page is glued. So for this one, you would have to peel it up. But isn't that great? 5 puzzles for $3, and you get 4 different stories because the first one doesn't have one. What do you think? This is fantastic. I could see this being great on a road trip or just a rainy day activity. And it comes in such a great book. Like, this is a thick book. So here they show doing the puzzle on the side, but there's the picture. Like, this is such a cool thing. And this would have been really expensive at the time. And it's by Nick Jr. and the Government of Canada. So I don't know if you can get these in the US, but we can definitely get them here. And the book is like kind of plushy. I love it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.